Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We are doing the series of parts of speech in which we are doing kinds of adjectives. Today we are going to see part 15 in which you will see compound adjectives and proper adjectives. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. So friends, first of all we will see kinds of adjectives. We have already completed till 10. Now we are doing 11 and 12, that is compound adjectives and proper adjectives. First of all we will see the definition of compound adjectives. A compound adjective is formed when two or more adjectives work together to modify the same noun. Let's see examples. First, Raj is a part-time worker. So here worker, that is noun, and part-time, that is adjectives, part and time both. So both are combined with the help of hyphen and it becomes one. So part-time, that is compound adjective. Second, beware of the green-eyed monster. Monster noun and green-eyed, that is whole adjective, and this is compound adjective because both are adjectives. Two adjectives are combined together with the help of hyphen. Third, he is a cold-blooded man. Man, that is noun, and cold-blooded both are adjectives which are combined together with the help of hyphen. That's why cold-blooded, that is called compound adjective. Fourth one, I love this brightly lit room. Brightly lit, both are adjectives which are combined with the help of hyphen. That's why brightly lit, that is called compound adjective. Next, Bruno is well-behaved dog. So dog, that is noun, and well-behaved, that is compound adjective. Sixth, you have to be open-minded about things. So here open-minded, that is compound adjective. Let's do exercise. Pick out compound adjectives from the given sentences. 3 sentences are given. You have to pick out compound adjectives from all these 3 sentences and your time starts now. Hope you have completed. Let's check answers. First, he did everything for people in need. He was a very kind-hearted man. So kind-hearted, that is compound adjective. Second, it is homemade food. So homemade, that is compound adjective. Last one. Bikes are two-wheeled vehicles. So two-wheeled, that is compound adjective. Let's move to next type, and that is proper adjectives. Let's see the definition. Proper adjective is a modifier that is formed by the proper noun respectively. Let's see examples. First, the British professor is teaching in the class. So, British, that is proper adjective. Second, he built an Egyptian castle for his love. So, Egyptian. Third one, we crossed the Chinese border a few hours ago. So, Chinese, proper adjective. Next, Indian tradition has been considered the best tradition around the world. So, Indian, that is proper adjective. Next, he was a famous Christian scholar. So, Christian, that is proper adjective. Let's see exercise. Pick out proper adjectives from the following sentences. 4 sentences are given and you have to pick out proper adjectives from all this. Your time starts now. Hope you have completed. Let's check answers. First, I love Italian food. So, Italian, that is proper adjective because it modifies the noun. He writes in an almost Shakespearean style. So, Shakespearean, that is proper adjective. The Asian continent is the largest in the world. So, Asian, that is proper adjective. Last one. The African forest is also called the hub of elephants. So, here African, that is proper adjectives. Hope you understood well. So, here we end our session and soon we will meet in my next video which will be based on part 16. Depending on the same kind of series, the series of parts of speech in which you will see last 2 types of adjectives. So, don't miss it. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye for now.